Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Dominion box break number 24. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number on the box is NE189822-483. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. So you start off with a decoy. We have a base card for the Red Wings of Pavel Datsyuk, number 20 out of 199. Next we have a rookie auto for the Islanders of Mikko Koskinen, 129 out of 199. Up next we have a nice hit from Montreal. It's a short print patch auto rookie of Louis LeBlanc, 41 out of 99. Nice hit from Montreal. A nice hit for the Wild. It's a patch auto card, short print, 1 out of 60 of Nicholas Backstrom. Nice 4-color patch. Nicholas Backstrom for the Wild. Have a nice hit for the Bruins. A quad jersey of Milan Lucic, Tyler Seguin, Zdeno Chara, and Tim Thomas, 13 out of 25. Nice hit for Boston. And we have a hit for the Red Wings, the prime jersey of Brendan Smith, number 10 out of 25 for the Red Wings. And we have a jersey card of Christopher Stieg for the Panthers, number 33 out of 100. And to finish off, we have a base card for the Blackhawks of Bobby Hull, number 189 out of 199. And then here's our decoy. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.